Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. I have a haul video to share with you today. As a demonstrator, we got pre-order from the new annual catalogue on the 1st of April and it's taken us time, but it arrived today. Today is the 15th of April and I am so excited to share with you all the wonderful new goodies I received. I just unpacked the box. Oh, it's so pretty and so beautiful, and I just wanted to jump on and show you. This is the new annual catalogue. Isn't it lovely? So I got all my catalogues today, so if you want a copy of this, just leave me a message down below and I'll get back to you. Alternatively, you can click onto my website and click on the contact me button and you can request a new catalogue that way as well. So if you want one of these, don't delay. Get a hold of me and I'll get one out to you. They're free. Okay, so let's start with some stamp sets. These are just stamp sets. They don't have a coordinating punch or die or embossing folder, but look at these party puffins. Aren't they so sweet? Look at them having a ball together. These remind me of the Dainty Zebras that we had in the previous catalogue and I love them too. I can't wait to create. These will also be great for little 3x3 cards. So cute. Any planners among you? Now, I love to plan. I have my plan already for this year, but that doesn't stop me buying new ones and new organisers. And if you're part of the planner community, you will understand just the love of pretty things and pretty stationery. And this is a stamp set for you. This is days to remember. So you've got all the days here, the weeks, and all the days, you know, the numbers here. And you've got things like don't forget, happy birthday, it's your day to remember, and you've got all the months, as I said, and these other little extra bits for decoration. So really useful. And these are photopolymer stamps, as you can see here. Then I've got this lovely big background stamp called Spiral Die, and it's really lovely, and I think this is going to be great to make some blended backgrounds. Okay, then I'm going to show you this gorgeous punch here, and this goes with this set here, Flowers of Friendship, and you can see it's going to punch out these pieces here. Really pretty. I love the fonts here. And I love this one, little card, big thanks. Life is better with friends like you. And I think this little border piece here is going to be so useful as well. So really like that. Then I've got this glorious pansies. Now this is part of a suite called the Pansy Suite, and there's paper that matches it and all other bits, which I'll show you in a minute. So here you've got these gorgeous stamps, and these are shown a little bit smaller than they actually are. You can see here the actual sizes, and you've got actually two bits because there's so many. And then to match that, you've obviously got the pansy, what are they called? Pansy dies, as you can see here, and these can cut out your shapes here, but they can also give you make you a 3D flower, so really cool. Then I've got the hand penned petals, and these are they, and matching dies. And again, this is part of a suite, so you've got some paper to match that I'll show you in a minute. Then you've got the Beauty of Friendship, and again this is part of another suite. You've got those lovely trees, and then you can cut out the trees themselves and make all sorts of beautiful cards for spring and autumn and summer and such like. So we've got those, so set those aside and bring you in these. These are some, what are they called? Basic border dies. Very simple. Really nice borders here, scallops and sort of a zigzag and triangle, and this lovely curve. I'm really grateful we've got a curve back because this is great for making snowmans and hills and all sorts of stuff. And then I've got this embossing folder called Bark, and this is a 3D embossing folder, and it's got a really deep texture, and you can see here what it's going to look like. Really cool, and that gives you a picture, so really cool. Then I've got this lovely tag punch called Elegant Tag. So there you go. So that is my stamps and dies and such like. So now I'm going to quickly move on to some cardstock. Now, as you know, every year we have 5 new in colours, and this year is no exception. So I'm going to show you now the 5 new in colours, and they are gorgeous. So here we go. You've got Fresh Freesia, which is this one, and for each of these I got the matching ink pads, which are here. So there you can see all of them. You've got the matching ink pads, and I also got the matching re-inkers as well. So you've got Fresh Freesia, Pale Papaya. Now in South Africa, where my mother's from and where I've spent a lot of time, we don't call them papayas, we call them pawpaws. So you're going to hear me call this rather fresh pawpaw or pale pawpaw, because to me they're not papayas, they're pawpaws. So yeah, you've got fresh freesia, pale pawpaw or papaya if you want, soft succulent. You can see all my lights there. This is a really gorgeous colour. It's not picking it up on the camera how gorgeous it really is. And then you've got evening evergreen, really nice as well. And then you've got this, look at this, polished pink, look at this. It's almost like a highlighter pink. It is glorious, absolutely glorious. It's going to be great for accent pieces, really bright and happy and fun and full of joy in life. So yeah, love it. So those are our new in colours, and of course I've got some paper to go with them and some other bits. These are the in colour markers, the Stampin' Right markers. So there, I've got those, and this is the new family set. So this is the 2021 to 2023 in colour 6x6 designer series paper. And let me show you them if I can open the pad somewhere. As you can see, I've already had one disaster with some paper today. Sorry about the crinkles. So you've got here, you just can see here, I'll go through it quickly. Really lovely polished pink, and that's the other design on the back. So you've got 4 designs for each colour, one on the front, one on the back. So those are the designs you can see. That design, and then those 2 designs, and then you've got that for the other colour. So I'll just flip through here. I really like this pale pawpaw, it's really pretty. Even this evening evergreen like this is actually going to be great towards Christmas. And I think if you look there, the soft succulent and the evening evergreen, doesn't that go well together? Isn't that a lovely combo? And even the yellow, the pale pawpaw and the evening evergreen, really nice combinations. Even this polished pink and the green looks really good together. So really happy with those. Okay, what else do I have to show you guys? We have some ribbons. Now these are the in colour ribbons. I didn't get the evening evergreen, and I should have. Maybe I will later on, though I do have another evening I will have this colour ribbon coming, but look at those. Pale pawpaw, polished pink, fresh freesia, and evening evergreen, not evening evergreen, soft succulent. I'll get the names right at some point. Takes a while to learn them, but aren't they gorgeous? And these are called open weave ribbon. Really nice. So there you go. And I've got this, we could order this one, which is Highland Heather, and this is just a cross grain ribbon, really cute. And then I also got this extra one in pale papaya, and this is called woven ribbon. And isn't that lovely? Really nice. I'm really happy with these ribbons. I mean, they just look so lovely colours. They remind me of summer and all things summery and happy and springy, and just, oh, I like it. I like it. So, some more embellishments that I'm going to show you. So, sorry about the noise. And they are just so gorgeous. These are our bumblebee trinkets, and let's have a look at these. Because I haven't seen these. Look at these. The little bumblebees. Oh, they are darling. Look at that. Oh, these are going to be lovely for projects. But even if you're into jewellery, you can make these into really gorgeous earrings, couldn't you? Imagine having those as earrings. Oh, wouldn't that be fab? Absolutely. I've got these. These are called Genial Gems. And there you can see. Lovely. Then I've got some of this elegant trim, which is just this gold and silver. And then I've got some baker's twine here as well in different colours. And then I've got these loose flower flourishes. And let's have a look at these together. Ooh, look at them. This is polished pink, pale pawpaw and fresh freesia. And you've got the dinky little small ones and then the bigger ones. Oh wow, these are going to be so cute on cards, and you know, they're really nice and chunky, so they're going to give some real texture and lift to your projects, you know. That's really cool. Something different and interesting. And here we've got these lovely gems. These are the in colour gems, and look at them. So cute. I'm going to have to buy more of these, definitely. We can only order one pack on the pre-order, so when I do my main order, which will be on the late on the 3rd of May, very early the 4th of May, I'm going to have to order some more of these, definitely. Okay, so that's our embellishments. Put those aside. Yes, there's more. There is more. We have paper. So let me show you this first. I should have showed you this before. This is the 12 by 12 for the in colours. So there you go. Lovely. Can make some lovely scrapbooking pages, mini albums with that. So really cool. So let's look at some paper. This is the Pansy paper. Is it not gorgeous? It is called Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. And we're going to look at it together. So you've got this one. And then, oh, I love this. This is a great background. And look at these. These match. These are very similar to those, in style to those flourishes we just looked at. Those little flowers. Oh, but I like the back. Again, so easy to use for a background. And that. And look at these pansies. Now these pansies are actually in the paper. The dies that I showed you for the pansy dies, they'll cut this out as well. Oh, this is lovely. And look at these. Oh, yeah. And we have pansies in the garden every year, and polyanthus. And I really do, if you know me, I'm always taking pictures of flowers. I absolutely adore anything floral. We've got pictures and pictures this year of the daffodils, tulips, snowdrops, you know, buttercups, everything this year. So I'm really into, and I've got pansies and violas in the garden, so really into this kind of thing. So I'm definitely going to be doing some scrapbooking pages with that. And this is the hand-penned Designer Series paper. And you've got that. Oh, it's beautiful colours. And then you've got this one. Oh, look at this. This is this new colour, the pale purple. And I think this is this soft succulent? Let's look at the colours on the back. It'll tell us. Papaya. Mint macaron. This is the mint macaron. Oh, isn't that lovely, the two together? Look at these. Oh, these are so pretty. I really like these. I can't wait. Now, if you have been to my Facebook group, you know I host a monthly online card club. And I can tell you, in our May card club, we'll be using some of this for our May card club. So if you want to get your paws on some of that to have a look at, join my May card club. And you'll find all the details in the description box below. So what's this one called? Let's have a look. This is the Beauty of the Earth Designer Series paper, and you remember this was matching the stamp set with the trees and such like. So you've got this. Oh, if you're into wood grain, yoo-hoo! Let me take this one out of the packaging because I think it's going to be easier that way. So you've got that, and then you've got this. So you can actually cut this in half here to make 2 cards. Really fab. Look at these, very autumnal. Oh, that is gorgeous. I was going to say autumnal feel, but oh yeah, I like this. This is autumnal, absolutely lovely. You know, you could do a beautiful picture of the autumn colours. I don't know if you get really good autumn colours where you are. We do here. Get some lovely colours around of really lovely russet and browns and golds, and this would be lovely for a scrapbook page about the autumn trees, because we're in the, even though I live in Lincoln City, in Lincoln, I live in the suburbs, sort of the suburb, not that Lincoln's very big. I'm a Londoner, I'm born in London, lived there most of my life, so for me Lincoln is not big at all. 7 minutes one way on the car I can be in the city centre, and 7 minutes the other way I'm out of Lincoln, you know, so it took an hour to get out of London, you know. This is titchy compared, but yeah, we have some lovely trees around here, especially out to the countryside, you know, where I go quite often. So this would be great for a scrapbooking page. And then that, oh yes, I really like that. That makes me happy. But look at that blue. I mean, that's gorgeous. I wonder what blue that is. Let's have a look. Night of Navy and Misty Moonlight. Well, that says it all. I love those two blues. They're so gorgeous, it's unreal. Okay, so let's see, I've shown you the pansy paper, the hand pen paper. The last thing I have to show you then is this. This is called linen something, linen speciality paper. Sorry about the noise. And you get two sheets here. And it's actually sticky back, and it has a real linen texture, almost like a canvas texture. It's almost like sticky back canvas. It's going to be really fun to use and see what we can make out of it and do some fun projects. It'll add a lot of nice texture and interest to your cards. Whoopsie daisy, I'm hitting the lights next door to me. So that is it. That is my haul of all my lovely stuff. I'm so glad to have got the new in colours. They look so pretty to me. Sorry about the glare. Just trying to get it out of the way somehow so you don't see it. Like that, I think it's okay. So that is everything. So what do you think? Do you like it? Are you excited as me to see it, to play with it? If you want a copy of the new catalogue, as I said, just leave me a comment below or jump onto my website and click on the contact me button and you can request one there and I will get one sent out to you. I have them in my paws there on my desk just waiting to wing their way to you. So I really hope you enjoyed everything. I will be doing some orders in May, so if you want to add anything, do let me know if you're in the Lincoln area. And we'll be using some of this gorgeous stuff in my May card club, so do check out my online card club and do come and join us. We have a lot of fun crafting together on my Facebook group. So thank you, and I'm off to play. See you soon. Bye.